One UI 9 just got a big update. Google has already started rolling out Android 17 to supported Pixel devices, and Samsung is now preparing to follow with its own Android 17-based One UI 9 update. The stable version of One UI 9 is expected to debut first on Samsung's upcoming foldable phones before gradually expanding to older Galaxy devices in the weeks that follow. Right now, the One UI 9 beta program is only available for the Galaxy S26 series. However, newly discovered internal test builds suggest that Samsung is actively preparing the update for many more Galaxy devices behind the scenes. The current list includes the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, Galaxy S26 Ultra, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the Galaxy S24 FE. Samsung is also testing One UI 9 for its foldables, including the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, along with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. The Galaxy A lineup is joining the testing phase as well. Internal firmware has now been spotted for the Galaxy A57, Galaxy A56, Galaxy A34, the upcoming Galaxy A18, Galaxy A17, and Galaxy A16. Tablet users are not being left behind either. Samsung is reportedly testing One UI 9 for the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Plus and Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, as well as the Galaxy Tab S11, Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Keep in mind that these are only the devices with active internal test builds so far. This does not mean the final One UI 9 rollout will be limited to this list. Devices like the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Fold 5, and Galaxy Z Flip 5 are also expected to receive the update. Based on everything we have seen so far, One UI 9 could introduce easier access to lockdown mode, the ability to block internet access for individual apps, smarter AI-powered photo editing suggestions, along with several interface refinements and security improvements. As Samsung continues beta testing, we expect even more One UI 9 features to surface over the coming weeks. What are your thoughts on Samsung expanding One UI 9 testing to so many Galaxy devices? Let me know in the comments section.